Hello everyone, welcome back. Here's a very quick recipe. We'll be making tomato soup today. It's so cool for the weather. Some olive oil and some ginger and garlic paste, some onions, sauteing her for a few minutes, and we'll be adding tomatoes. Just cut into cubes, not too big and not too small. And you add some basil, salt, and spicy or multi-purpose spice. So just a quarter cup water. That's all. The tomato is going to bring out its own juice, so you may even decide not to add water if you want it thicker. In less than 25 minutes it will be ready. Now we'll be turning it to our blender. Not every blender can blend hot soup, but if your blender can, then that's a good way to go. So you blend it and it's ready. You save and hot because of the weather. So enjoy. So good for the weather and it's packed with a lot of nutrients. Thank you.